Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about a plugin called background removal. It's a very useful plugin for OBS Studio. There is the plugin background removal. So there's the plugin. What it does, it removes your background, whatever it is, not just a green screen. You can add any background and it's going to remove it. So let's see how it works. Let's say for example we have our webcam here. Click on filters and let's add filter background removal. This is a new filter, it was not here before, it's different from chroma key. So background removal, click on advanced settings and decrease this. From here, change this one to robust video matting and let's start working with it. As you can see right now, just adjust the settings. You see, it removes my background. This is not a green screen removal because you see a lot of green right now. This is removing me from the background, whatever it is. This is it, and how to use it, you can change the settings as you want, but it's going to consume a lot of your CPU if you are going to change a lot of it. So for this right now, it can give you a good result. If you don't have a green screen and you want to use this, you can use it. It's like removing your background without having a green screen, like using an NVIDIA RTX graphics card or something like that. So it just starts like that, and you can make it also, instead of removing the background, blur. So let's increase this background blur. Once you increase this, it's going to blur instead of removing the background. It's the same effect, but instead of removing it, it adds a blur like this. Right now it's blurring the background, but be careful, this is going to consume a lot of your PC specs. For example, right now we have a good blur. You can't have something like this in OBS Studio unless you copy your webcam and have two clones of the webcam, one without any effect or removal and one with your background removed, and then add a blur to the other background behind you. This was how you do it before, but right now you can add it by just adding this simple effect. If you want to get it back to removing the background, just decrease this and it will go to removing the background. It's a very useful plugin if you want to use it in many situations if you don't have a green screen. That's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one.